And then day two is the finance day. And on that, we're going to be talking about, a lot of agency founders start their agencies and they don't come from a commercial finance background. So they run their agencies the best they can. Sometimes they've got finance managers or bookkeepers, but no real insight or knowledge into how the agency finance, commercial finance works. So day two will be us taking agency founders, attendees through all the things they need to know about running an agency and doing it profitably, from the financial planning to the pricing to managing their efficiency, staff utilization, over servicing, all of those types of things. That is what we'll be taking them through. So hopefully at the end of it, they won't become accountants, but they will definitely understand the lingo. They'll understand a lot more about what the commercial finance element is when it comes to running their agencies.